Alright people, let's do this thing. Unboxing of the Gerber Ultimate Fixed Blade, Fixed Knife, Plus Sheath, and Whistle, Fire Starter, and Sharpener. Look at the size of this thing. For comparison, here's my gentleman's pen knife. I will wear this. This is my dress knife, my old hickory. I'll be cleaning it. I will probably cutting a muffin. I take that with me when I am going out for the evening, and then compare that to my old timer. This is like the Schrade old timer. There's old timer, and then there's the other one. I wanted one of these for a really long time, and I finally got it. You know, nice lock back. A man really doesn't need anything more than that. Can we agree? Holy for holy. All right. Let's open this thing up and see what we find. So I'm putting together another little bug out bag for my car. I have all sorts of bug out stuff because I'm kind of bugged out by life. And I thought, all right, let me get a good fixed blade. I saw this, and that was like $26, $27, not bad. So I thought I would pick it up, see what it's all about. Yeah, your first point is if you can't get it out of the box, you're probably not going to survive. This is a fire starter, and it's hard to get to, so that's good, because you know what? Fire is dangerous. Actually, I was thinking of leaving it in this blister pack, which would have been a really good idea in the case of an actual emergency. So I could just die at the scene and not have to get involved with any foolishness that would cause death and destruction to anyone else. This is fantastic. I ought to come back when I have it removed, but isn't there something terribly, awfully wonderful about real-time man struggles? Amazing. And then, don't cut this up now. It's gonna be your sheath. And a man needs to have a sheath that's intact. That's a tactical fact. All right, so what do you get, ladies and geraniums? You get the knife, which is, you know, it's too big to carry in New York City. Too big. 4 inches, right? If anything wider than your palm, no good. So only Will Smith can use that in the movies. And here's your plastic sheath attached. Don't cut your fingers off while you're putting your knife away. Oh, a very nice snap. And then it's like that. You can strap it to your body. Belt loop, right? A couple of different kinds of looping options. You can secure it at the top there. Nice, right? Damn, I feel like a man. Pull that out. Holy moly, I feel like Crocodile Dundee. Okay. So here's a feature. This is the, it's the pounder. You see this bottom here? You can use that to smash stuff. Smash a person, I believe. You can smash a person with that. And also, apparently chop up some kindling, mash it up if you have some fibrous stuff that you want to mash up to get into a fire bundle. I've been looking into the whole making fire thing. Look at the width of that blade. Holy moly. I don't know, man. 2 millimeters. And anyway, on the back of the case, you have a sharpening stone, which I'm not going to do and ruin my thing. So you got this big giant blade. I don't know how big it is, bigger than my hand. It's 5 inches. The serrated section over here, you can cut logs or throw a really tough dinner. And the pointy part here, this straight edge, holy moly, that is something. Here is your Ferro rod, ferrocerium rod, I don't know, whatever it is, fire starting rod. And what you do is, and look, there's an extra rough spot there. I think that's to make this even more effective at throwing sparks. Don't try this at home. I saw a fellow who was really giving great demonstration of this, and he says, you know, you got your material over here. You set that down and actually pull on the rod, and then you can really direct your sparks. Directing sparks. All right, so watch your fingers. This is completely sealed, so that's good. Then you got your key. Oh, that kind of clicks in there, does it? No, not really. You'd think it would. It's just a little friction fit. Oh, it pops in there with good friction. Put it all together, you strap it on your body. I'm going to do a part 2 of this, where I actually take it outside and start a fire, because that's what you do in survival situations. How do you like that? And frick, it's heavy too. But yes, sir. No, thank you. I don't need to have my windshield washed at this time. All right, carry on. That's your Gerber ultimate fixed blade thing. I am digging it, and it was like $26, $27 on Amazon. You should get one. It's very, very solid. Very, very solid feeling. This is in the flat sage and muck colors, and that's very nice. Oh, it's 7CR stainless steel. Hey, if they name you steel, you know it's got to be good. Fire starter sheath, rubber grip, fixed blade, serrated edge, and people pounder at the end. All right, join me for part 2 in the woods. I'll try not to burn down the whole neighborhood. Carry on. All right, people, it's Johnny of Adventure here, out with you, kind of in the woods. I'm on this old road, all broken down. Part 2 of our Gerber fixed blade knife adventure. Forgot to tell you that there's a whistle attached on there. So there's a lot of good stuff out here. Now, it's wet. Wet is part of life. So what I'm going to try to do is not really make a big fire as much as try to assemble a little kindling bundle and see if I can get a spark going and just get something ignited before they call the fire department. Okay, so this is my little fire bundle, bird's nest. I just have these sticks there to hold it down. I'm going to try to direct my spark in there. I have these teeny little leaves, these little buddy little things. They look like they might catch. All right, let's try it. I'm holding the knife and pulling on the thing here. It's a little windy, so I'm worried about that. Throwing off sparks. Clearly. Not getting anything to catch. All right, my delightful firebugs. So I have the same material here that I gathered from that spot. The only thing that's different, and I have this. I had a ribbon around it. I call it my widow's weeds. I just have a bigger ferrocerium rod. The other one is down in my car. I don't want to go and get it. So I have these really fluffy things. They look pretty good, and some other little flowers and little leaves. I actually was able to get a fire started last time, but it was so cold and the battery died on my phone. So here is the rod, and let's see if we can throw some sparks. Get the and there we go. And then what you do is you just keep adding good stuff. Get that fire going. I have these beautiful reedy things, and slowly you would start introducing branches and stuff, but it's always small to large, and away we go. And you know me, I'm the original firebug. Not many feet from here, I burned down my neighbor's backyard. It smelled just like this. Groovy, right? So I probably could have gotten that much of a spark from my survival knife, the Gerber. I mean, that only had about that much, that size. Ferrocerium rod is better to go bigger, but anyway, here we are. So that's it. Have fun with your fire. Be careful.